Welcome back, everyone. I have this rain song guitar, and I've just finished the compensated nut on this one. This is 11 to 52 at concert pitch, and there is the compensated cantilevered bridge saddle. So I'm going to do what I always do, which is lay down some chords. Now the initial chord progression is just... and over top of that I've laid I've looped that. I'll let that play and we'll just blow over top. So when I set up and calibrate a guitar, it's not just to make it easier to play, which in this case it's 100 times easier to play, but when you regulate and calibrate the guitar like that, it's really about the guitar being in tune with itself across the entire span of the neck. You know, for so long it's been accepted that guitars are out of tune. You know, it's kind of a given. And I've been the voice in the wilderness on this now for years. To really check the accuracy of the intonation across the entire span of the neck, we need to play different inversions of the same chord in different places. Even the basic garden variety D chord. And that's what I do, and that's why I laid down that chord progression where I played through that progression twice with different voicings of the same chord, just to illustrate how precise the guitar can be when both the bridge and the nut are intonated. Now it is a bit of a moving target. I've a lot of people ask, well, why don't the manufacturers just kind of come up with a compensated nut, compensated saddle combination? Well, the problem is, realistically, for manufacturers, it's such a moving target. This guitar is 11 to 52 strings. I didn't even check the scale length. I didn't need to because I've been going through these procedures step by step for years. So I just go right into autopilot. So I've got a few hundred videos out there right now that demonstrate over and over and over again. So Jack no longer has to fight to play this guitar. It's not just that it's silky smooth to play, but he can play any chord anywhere. You can try this test with your own guitar. Here's a garden variety D chord everybody plays. And 5th position, 10th position, and 14th position. So all of those chords are in tune with each other. Any chord I play, a C chord. Like I said, try this on your own guitar. E, just E major. That's E major 7th. F. A, is the key we're just playing in. And that, in a nutshell, is what I did for this rain song guitar, which anyone who has one of these knows the neck is not adjustable. I also did a fret dress, got out all of the fret wear, so now the customer can relax and just play his guitar.